4 o'clock in the morning and Mackey's is shut. Another day with Yorkshire Flat 4. We're going to Prodrive. Gonna be one hell of a drive this. So we're gonna meet up with a wacky bunch at Woolly Edge Services. I think that's between Barnsley and Leeds. Time to hit the road. Look at that sun setting. Oh no, it's not setting, is it? Sunrise! Sunrising! And out of nowhere, here's Johnny! This guy just comes flying on the motorway. I'm presuming he's going to be with us. He's got the Yorkshire Flat 4 sticker there in the back window. Oh, we got one B1 on the end there. Quite a few classics today then, isn't there? We are all off to Prodrive now. Long snail of Subarus again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Over there about 13 or 14 of us. Madness at 6 o'clock in the morning. Subaru drivers don't like Teslas, do they? Because I don't like Teslas, and the impression I get from watching everyone else, the Teslas just get terrorised. Tesla. Terrorising Teslas. Yeah, we all got a little bit lost from the services, but we have all regrouped. Prodrive, baby! Here we all are, just waiting for a parking space. The queue just goes on. And this way. Oh, we've got to turn round, and it looks like we're getting our own car park. Yo!
We came with a pilgrimage to the holy ground.
Most definitely. Gotta flip around. So we're in. Yeah, allowed to get pictures and videos of this, but I'm not allowed to film anything in there. Probably due to like unreleased content and projects and stuff, but yeah, look at the little simulator. Can't wait to get in. I'll have to tell you all about it instead. Spend that kind of money on a car, you're going to use it, aren't you?
Sure, man, you know.
Engines. Oh, look at that big Garrett turbo.
So David wanted to go rallying as a rally boss, which he'd done already with the Vauxhall Works team. So this is a Porsche 911 SC RSR. So this is actually a Group B rally car. So if you can remember, Group B was when it all started to get to see in the mid-80s. Porsche were waiting for the 959 supercar to come along. And in the meantime, they made 20 of these Group B versions of the 911. We bought 6 and rallied them on the World Rally stage and in the Middle East. More success, obviously, in the Middle East, because this wasn't a patch on Peugeot's advances that were racing at the time. We're going to see a lot of cars here, a lot of engineering development. So if you look inside this one, you've got bolted in roll cage, which is probably some of your cars, welded in ones anyway. Standard HVAC and gear lever. It's got about 4 fuses in the fuse box to run the coil with some spotlights. So it's this sort of simplest possible thing. So raced this in 84, 85, and then realised that a Porsche wasn't fast enough. So we bought a Mini Metro. Which doesn't sound right when you say it out loud. I take lots of people around on tours, and I'm trying to explain to either foreign people or the school kids that we take around what a Mini Metro is, what it was. And that's the car that your nan drove, wasn't it? You know, the tin lids and the tissues on the back shelf. Not these ones. This is a 6R4. So this was developed by Austin Rover in the mid-80s, but with the Williams Formula 1 team, which is why you've got kind of the wings and all of the sort of high tech. So it is at its heart still a steel Metro shell, or that's got an aluminium roof, but it's gone from having a 1275 front engine to a 3-litre twin overhead cam V6 in the back driving all 4 wheels on this. So it's 400 horsepower car. And as much as it's made from the original steel, not all of it. So this is where our story with the McRae family kicks off. So Jimmy drove this car for us. And one of the things you'll notice that it's right-hand drive, left-hand dashboard. So I would imagine Jimmy didn't have a lot of time to be checking the water temperature and the oil pressure as he was throwing this around the forest. So it's quite something.
Switches in there.
Jesus.
You know, you need license to fly a Boeing, don't you, for that?
You're going to get your head tested to drive that on the rally stage.
Is it nuts?
Yeah, my first rally was the 86 RAC rally, and seeing these come through the forest. Crikey.
From rather were proper though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, Group B, we had the Peugeots, the Lancias, Ford had introduced the RS200, Audi and Toyota, and loads of other companies were coming, Porsche were coming, and it just got too dangerous, both the safety on the stages and the performance of the cars and the safety of the cars. So at the end of 86, Group B was banned, and we went back to the old Group A regulations, which is kind of where the Subaru story starts, and we can pick that up next door. So we'll just go through there. I should also point out, all of these cars that we're looking at today are the original cars, in as original condition as we can make them. Obviously, they're all run, and they're all run at rally days and track days and things. So apart from extinguishing the seatbelts, which we have to keep updated, these are all the original cars.
It's made of grass. So cut you off now for top secret. Wicked tour. Very interesting. Yeah, there is some very, very nice stuff in there. So I'm just going to go get some pictures and that outside the building, and then we're off to another meet, which is local to here. One by one, everyone join the queue, get your pictures. So yeah, just grabbing some pickies. Listen to that rumble. Rumble. Yeah, just waiting on some others. Then off skis. Somewhere else. Caffeine machine. It's a big factory. Caffeine and machine. Get it. So I've just been cafe and machine at the minute, like some car meet. Yeah. I would love to have showed you all a Prodrive, but obviously. Nice bits of artwork on the walls and stuff, some humour and stuff. Let's see humour. Pretty little mooch at these. Toilets. Having a little rev there. No drifty drift, because police are over there. Here we are. Ooh, there we are. This is a tidy. Look at this Porsche. Hey, look at the Michelin man at wall. I didn't even clock him. Back to Prodrive. Just had a nice hour chilling with everyone here at, what is it, Caffeine and Machine. Where are we anyway? Warwickshire, Oxford, Banbury, Cotswolds, somewhere around there anyway.
Yeah, Clarkson's Farm.
But it's closed because it's a Wednesday. No way. It is gutting, that, really gutting. But
oh, the squashy donuts.
oh, to back to Prodrive to meet the other lot of peoples that come out with us. And I think we're convoying back home. Oh yeah, regrouped at Prodrive. Home time. What a noisy bunch. Definitely fun down Oxfordshire way, Cotswolds way. Your roads are absolutely just something else.
No matter what you've been through or where you've been.
I tell you what, you want to buy a Subaru and get into Subaruing. It's the best. Who we got left? Me. You in the wagon. I don't know your name, dude, but you're a sound guy. Jonathan. We got Louisa, the boss, and Robert. And we got Tom behind in the white classic there. And Nathan here. Here's ours.
You better not have
That many Subarus the wife don't know which one's ours. We've been out now about 15 hours, haven't we, since we let off? Since we set off, sorry.
Where's everyone else?
In there somewhere. And there were like maybe 2-3 of that Prodrive, maybe an hour at the Cars Coffee thing, half hour each way to there, couple of service stops, a lot of driving. What a fun day. So we just rearranged the cars now. We got the 3 New Age and the 3 Classics. Musical Scoobs.
3. To be fair, what we're...
This is a tidy wagon.
I won't always be crying tears. Have to think about what I'm gonna do. I won't always be feeling so blue. No matter what you've been through or where you've been.
You know my car. Don't need to do that. Do it outside. Everywhere. There we go. Yeah, a few of us have just filled up at a last station. Well, some I forgot, so I just parked there because it looks good. Linking up with Scooby friends. Just bumped into Jaffa on way up motorway. I don't know where the estate went, but that's us to go. Bye, Jonathan. Just made a boo-boo where Louisa and Roberts just got off. That was our junction. So now we're heading north, more north. So it's probably going to be an evening on the back roads now to find our way home. Probably pointless coming back to motorway. But yeah, we should have been following you guys. Oh, well, it's been an awesome day with you all. Don't know who that Scooby is, but there's a Scooby-Doo there with a cage. I don't even know where the hell we are. I know this is another Shell garage. It's about the 5th petrol station today. 11 PM, bang on. Wow, what a long day. Now we're from, well, we got up at 3 o'clock this morning. So, Nathan's just stopping off at ours for a cup of coffee. We did the usuals and went off a little back road blast after we ended up staying on the M1. So we just detoured the long way back home again.